A harbor is a sheltered area of coast where ships can dock safely. इसको हम हिंदी में बंदरगाह कहते हैं. Now, there is a secondary meaning of the word harbor. To harbor is किसी गलत आंसर को पनाह देना. It is to shelter some criminal. Let's have a usage here.
Liz, I'm sorry. We're gonna have to take you in. All of you.
You've been harboring a murderer. Arrest them.
You have been harboring a murderer. तुमने खूनी को पनाह दी हुई है. Another meaning for the word harbor is to hold a thought or feeling about someone or something. For example, she started to harbor doubts about the existence of God at a very early age. So, to harbor is to hold some thought or feelings about something. Hopefully, we are getting all the three ways in which the word harbor can be used.
I'm a OP boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.